Hey guys, just wanted to share something else with you about the parking brake that I learned. So if you guys set your parking brake to automatically come on when you shut the car off, did you know that you don't have to push the button to release it every time? Well, here's what you do. Like normally you just pull up on it, or I think push down, let me see. Yeah, you push down to release it. Well, the car is automatically set up when you have it on auto. You put it in reverse, so now it's in reverse. Okay, let your foot off the brake. Now all you do is you tap the gas ever so slightly and you'll see it. That's it. You don't have to push it really hard, just you barely touch it and then it kicks it off. Great little feature. So you don't have to ever really touch it. If you want to do that, just barely touch it and you'll hear it disengage and then it's off. Another great feature that Honda put in these cars. If you have any questions, just drop the comments below. Thanks guys.